Hello everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing my first pocket camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Here's your safety guidelines, quick start guide, one DJI sticker. Here's the QR code to install the app. It comes with an extension handle with quarter tripod thread and a USB-C charging port at the back. It also comes with one Type-C to Type-C cable, one wrist wrap. It comes with one protective cover. It only covers 3 sides, so I printed something to protect the back. To control your pocket camera with your phone, you need to install the Mimo app. Just scan the QR code when you first turn it on. To switch it on, you can turn the screen horizontally and turn it off by switching back to vertical. Handle extension is easy to connect. Just push and align USB to the main device. Micro SD card slot is located on the side just next to the joystick. You can easily change the resolution and frame rate by swapping up and selecting the preferred setting. To view your white balance, exposure, and color settings, just swipe left. Here's the rest of the specs of the device.